Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically give passes to your friends or others on Dress to Impress. So to give them passes, you are just going to select this icon here. Select the pass that you want to give them. For instance, VIP. Select the gift button, and then you can either do permanent or monthly. Select it and then gift it to anybody that you want to give. Here are all the people who don't have it. If they already have it, it's not going to show up, I think, on the name, like on the passes, but that is pretty much it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.